hold that and just point at the thing. Just right there.
I sit down.
You holding at it? You at it?
Yeah.